Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Airdrop on iPhone. Share files effortlessly. With airdrops, it's easy to wirelessly transfer any files, photos, or videos to and from your iPhone and Mac. You can also use Airdrop to share files with your friends and family, as long as they have an Apple device and are within range. Here's how to turn on AirDrop and how to use it to transfer files from an iPhone to a Mac and the other way around. AirDrop actually uses Bluetooth to work to create a Wi-Fi network between two Apple devices. So, in order to use AirDrop, you have to have two Apple devices that are within Bluetooth range, which is about 30 feet according to Apple. Open the control center on your iPhone. You can do this by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen on an iPhone X or a newer model. If you have an older iPhone, you can open the control center by swiping up from the bottom of your screen. Tap and hold the Wi-Fi button. You will see the Wi-Fi signal that looks like three curved lines in a blue circle in the upper left corner of your screen. Next, tap AirDrop. If you see Select Contacts Only, you will only receive files from people in your contacts list. If you choose Everyone, any Apple device in range can transfer files to your device. You can turn AirDrop off at any time by selecting Receiving Off. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.